Welcome to the tutorial for the Fort Digital SMS and WhatsApp system. In this video, we will guide you through the features available in the SMS platform, including quick send, upload send, normal send, scheduled send, and more. To begin, we will first sign in using the account provided by Fort Digital. For example, we will use the account test60, enter your password, and click Sign In. You will notice that we have 2FA enabled for this account. We strongly recommend enabling 2FA in your settings as it helps protect your account with an extra layer of security. After entering the 2FA code, click Sign In again to access the system. Once you have successfully logged in, you will see the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Click on the SMS tab to expand the menu options. The first feature we will look at is Quick Send. Inside Quick Send, the first thing you will see is the sender ID. By default, you may use the Fort Digital Sender ID, or you can register your own sender ID by contacting Fort Digital Support for the registration process. Next, you can simply copy and paste your phone number list into the recipient field. For example, I have already prepared a list of phone numbers. I can copy and paste them directly into the system. There is no need to worry if the numbers do not include the country code, as the system will automatically add the correct country code after clicking Add to Final List. Once the recipient numbers are ready, you can type the SMS content that you want to broadcast. For example, you may type, "Hello, how are you all?" Alternatively, you may also select a pre-created template for faster sending. After preparing the message, simply click Send Now to send the SMS immediately. In addition to instant sending, the system also supports Schedule SMS. This feature allows you to schedule messages to be sent at a specific date and time. Simply click on the scheduling field and choose your preferred sending date and time. Now, let's try sending the SMS. Once submitted successfully, the system will display a confirmation message showing that all jobs have been submitted successfully. After sending the message, you can monitor the delivery results under the Logs and Status section. Here, you can apply filters, review message statuses, and export reports if needed. As shown, the message we sent earlier was successfully delivered to all 10 phone numbers. Next, let's move on to the Upload Send feature. Upload Send works similarly to Quick Send, where you can choose your sender ID and optionally schedule your SMS. The main difference is that Upload Send uses a CSV template file. For example, you can download the sample CSV file provided by the system. Inside the file, there are two columns. The first column is for the phone number, while the second column is for the SMS content. You can prepare your SMS list in this format, save the file, then browse and upload it into the system for bulk sending. The next feature is Normal Send. Normal Send also supports custom sender IDs and scheduled SMS. In this section, you can either manually paste phone numbers or send messages using contact groups that you have prepared earlier. To create groups and contacts, go to the Address Book section on the left side menu. Here, you will see both Group and Contact. For example, let's create a new group called FD. You can choose whether the group type is private or public. In this example, we will select Public and click Save. Once saved, you can see the new group listed below with 0 members. Next, go to the Contacts section and select the group that we just created. Here, you can copy and paste phone numbers into the system. Fields such as name, variable, and birthday are optional and can be filled in if needed. In this example, I will fill in the name for Peter and James. After entering the contact information, click Add to Final List. The system will automatically add the country code. Then click Save to store the contacts successfully. Now, return to the SMS Normal Send page and search for the group we created earlier, which is FD Public. Select the group and click Add to Final List. The contact numbers inside the group will automatically appear below. Next, click Next to proceed. Here you can either select a template or manually type your SMS content. You may also insert variables such as the customer's name for personalized messaging. In this example, I will be typing Dear and insert the variable name. Once completed, click Next again and submit the job to the normal Send Out box. As shown, the SMS has not been sent yet. Instead, it will first be saved in the outbox for review. The outbox allows you to check and personalize your SMS content before sending it out. Once you are satisfied with the message personalization, you can either click Send to proceed or delete the message if it is no longer needed. Once sent out, you can scroll down in the outbox page and check the message that you sent out. The next feature is the SMS API. This API allows you to integrate Fort Digital SMS services into your own systems or applications for automated SMS sending. We also provide the email to SMS automation feature. If you would like to set this up, you may contact Fort Digital for assistance. Another feature available is SMS Incoming, where you can view incoming SMS replies through the inbox. You can also apply filters and review the messages directly from the table below. Lastly, let's talk about user management. Since we are currently logged in as the main account, we have permission to create sub-users. You can create sub-users by setting a username, password, and other account details. Once the sub-user is created, it will appear in the sub-user list. The difference between the main account and sub-users is that the main account holder can control and limit the credit usage allocated to each sub-user. Lastly, we also provide mobile applications for both the SMS and WhatsApp systems, allowing you to manage your messaging services conveniently from your mobile device. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.